How to create a legally sound utility token. After successfully working on hundreds of utility token projects in the last 8 years, I will show you the exact legal framework that successful companies use to structure utility tokens that actually work. I will share all the proven strategies from real companies who've navigated legal challenges and built compliant token ecosystems worth millions. By the end of this video, you'll understand the three-pillar foundation that keeps utility tokens on the right side of regulations. We'll cover the compliance framework, real implementation models, and the specific legal safeguards to protect your project. The most important requirement is to ensure that utility tokens must demonstrate genuine functional purpose beyond investment speculation. A simple way to understand this is the difference between buying a concert ticket versus buying shares of company organizing the concert. The ticket gets you into the show, which is utility, while buying the shares of the company makes you money if the concert succeeds, which qualifies as a security. To understand legal structuring of utility token projects, let's review three essential components. First, an immediate utility your tokens must provide should be an actual functionality from launch day, not promised future benefits. Consider it like a software license that grants access to specific features immediately once you purchase it. An example can be Canva Pro. Once you pay for the license, you can use all the Pro features. Similarly, the utility tokens should enable concrete platform activities like transaction processing, governance participation, or access to the services. Second essential component is that the operational token value must derive from user engagement metrics rather than company performance. This separation can prevent securities classification by eliminating the common enterprise element of the Howey test. Third essential component is documentation wherein all project materials must explicitly disclaim investment expectations, profit sharing, and ownership rights while emphasizing functional utility. Now, let's discuss some real-world examples for designing utility token structures. An important method is to design tokens as digital keys that unlock platform features. Solar energy sharing networks use tokens representing electricity units that neighbors trade automatically through smart meters. These tokens cannot be classified as an investment as these tokens provide electricity as utility that you can use. This shows that the tokens have immediate, consumable value, thereby differentiating these from the security. Another way is to structure tokens as payment mechanisms within closed ecosystems, similar to how shopping mall loyalty systems use universal reward tokens. All stores accept the same tokens. Customers earn tokens at any shop and spend them anywhere in the mall. This works because the tokens facilitate transactions rather than create investment relationships. A governance participation model to implement voting rights that influence platform operations without conferring ownership is also a viable token structure. The key here is separation between governance influence and financial entitlements. Essentially, each model shares one critical element. They solve real problems for users, not investors. Now let's cover documentation requirements while structuring utility token projects. Always include explicit disclaimers against profit expectations, clearly provide utility function descriptions, and include separation statements between token and company assets. Make sure that your white paper should read more like software documentation than an investment pitch. Always mention transparent tokenomics without investment language. The successful utility token projects structure the token value to measurable platform metrics like user count, transaction volume, feature usage, instead of connecting the token value with company profits. It is also beneficial to provide operational evidence by explaining the functioning of platform at token launch, by showing an established user base to demonstrate actual utility, sharing measurable engagement metrics that are driving token value, and a couple of clear use cases that explain the platform beyond speculation. Remember, the goal is to prove your token is a tool, not an investment. To conclude, always convey how your utility token solves real problems for users and how it does not create investment opportunities for speculators. Design the utility first, then build the token around that function. Hope you found this video informative. Do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.